Hi guys, Mab here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name's Mab and I do anything and everything DIY. So if that's your thing, then don't forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And for today's video, we will be doing a DIY boutonniere that you can use for your groomsmen and or male sponsors as well. And if you'd like to see how that goes, then keep on watching. First, with the boutonnieres, I chose fake flowers because I would like to do it in advance. Keep in mind the motif of the event. Your flowers, bouquet, boutonniere should pop up color-wise. First thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut these off, just using a cutter. Now, you can just keep it the way it is, or put a ribbon on it, or use a flower tape to cover the stem, and that's it. Or, as for me, what I want to try out is get the scrap rose leaf that we had from our DIY bridal wedding bouquet thing that we did, and then take this off and then just use this long one, just like so. Just a touch of black, and I think that's good for me. So what I'm gonna do is do the same thing that I did for this, and then just clean up the stem so it's gonna be skinnier. I'm just gonna be using I'm just gonna be using scissors for that, and clean it off just like so. So it'll be easier once I already taped this up, and I'm just gonna be taping it using this flower tape, and then I'll put a ribbon on it. So I'm just gonna continue on doing this until I already have 15 leaves. All right, now I'm done. So as you can see, I just cleaned it up, got rid of the extra plastic and the two leaves on the side, but I'm not gonna throw this away because I'm planning to use this for DIY Christmas decor. I know it's just February that I'm doing this now, but there's gonna be a whole lot of things that you can do with this, like Christmas ornaments or a Christmas wreath, and I'm planning to do a black and white Christmas tree this year. So this is gonna be a great use, and I would not need to buy any more raw materials. So just keep this away, but don't throw it away. And then what I'm gonna do is cut these baby's breath thingies from the stem and see if that's gonna look good. Just imagine it for now, because you might wanna do it like this, and then put the black leaf on, and then just tape it, and then put a ribbon on it, and that's it. I mean, tape it and or put a ribbon on it, it's up to you. All right, now that we're done with all of the cuttings that we need to do, we're just gonna have to assemble it. And what I'm gonna do is get this baby's breath thing. I'm just gonna call it that. Put it at the back, just like so. Oh my God, why are my fingers not working today? And then put this on top of that. And if you'd like to use a really skinny wire for this, you can definitely do so. Or if you'd like to cut this baby's breath and then glue it using a glue gun to these flowers, you can also do so. So I'm just gonna tape this in using flower tape. Then just make sure to tape it really tight if you're not gonna be using wires for this. And then now I'm just taping it upwards too, so it'll be more secured. Cut it off. And that's our boutonniere. And since we have this extra stem in here, I'm just gonna cut that off using pliers, and that's it. You already have a boutonniere. Now, as for this one, if you would like to just, glue it in on this part, so it's gonna look like that, and just glue it in. And then it's better to do all the cuttings like for example, for the ribbon, all in one go. Measure it up just like that, cut it again, so you have a guide. And of course, do not forget to get your lighter and light the ends up so it would not fray, okay? We're gonna have to cut 15 of these. Now, we're just gonna have to light up the ends to keep it from fraying. So our glue gun is ready. I'm gonna get this ribbon as a guide up to where I would have to put a glue on, okay? And make sure to flatten that out. Glue it some more if you want to, or if you need to. Roll it up. Roll it really, really tightly, as tight as you could. This is gonna act as a support for your tape, just in case. Now I'm just gonna glue this in. I'm gonna apply the glue to the ribbon itself to make sure that we covered all the bases. Ends of it, press that real tight. And that's it. That's our boutonniere done. You can definitely skip some of the parts that you don't like. Keep it the way it is. Add parts that you'd like. Put a ribbon on it. Don't do this. It's up to you. And I'm just gonna do this again for the rest of the 15 or 14 more that needs to go. Now, I did two kinds of boutonnieres, one with baby's breath and one without, so that I can differentiate the boutonnieres for the sponsors, the one with the baby's breath, and the one for the entourage. You can do it this way, or even without the baby's breath, the black leaves, even without the ribbon. Again, it's up to you. And now, off to my fiance's boutonniere, wherein I'm gonna be using a black rose, same concept, same steps. Remove the parts you don't like. Can't remove it. So I'm just gonna use some, pliers to cut this off because we're not gonna need that. And then I think I'm gonna cut it right here. Oh, that's hard. And then what I'm just gonna do is use the remaining baby's breath that we had. Put that all around just like so. And that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna tape this up and put a ribbon on it. Strugglina. God. If you would like to add leaves or more dimension to this, just like so, you can definitely do that. Put it up here. And yeah, I think that's pretty. I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna add that up. And what I'm just gonna do is glue this in. And that's that. I'm just gonna add some ribbon to it to cover the ugly part in here. So see, like nothing happened. It's gonna be at the back anyway, so chill. It's still gonna be pretty up front. Fucking hot, so press it real good. Can't hold it. Use your lighter to press it in. Yee-hee!